Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you outcome tasks and what I think will be effective for us as a group moving forward. So I'm going to use Compass at this stage. I've tried OneNote and Teams, not that good. So let's stick to Compass and the learning task. Okay, so this is what it will look like. So here we have outcome task 3, inventory recording. I'll post something in Teams about that there's a new outcome task. I'm going to try to do it weekly, okay, so then I can give you some good feedback as we go. So in here, outcome task 3, okay, you can see who's submitted, who has not. And then thanks to those who did it overnight, that's great. Now, here guys, this is very important, okay, so when you save your file, can you save it with your name in it and outcome 3, but most importantly your name, because what it looks like when I get these, download them to review, is if it just says the same as what I posted, then I don't know whose is whose. So that's just something that takes a bit longer for me. So just your name, writing it in there for me so that it's easy for me to do, to review. Okay, so that's the most important thing, your name, please. Then when you upload your file, I can then download it. Okay, and then on the actual task itself is where the feedback is. So I'm just going to look at Alex's in this video. Okay, so I'm able to sort of correct each line as we go, and so that would tell me whether so that one was worth 4 marks, and I can make corrections on the page. Okay, here use the wrong cross reference. Okay, so I mean the general journal was done well. Okay, so I'll make a note of that in there, and account receivable, which should have been the cross-reference in that case. So I'll just circle it, can note, and then put it there. The other feature is, guys, is well, I'll go enable editing first. Okay, so in the review tab, if there's no comments up there, okay, go to this part here, show all comments, and then I wrote to Alex last week about this particular section. Okay, so I'll write comments for your written responses so that you can get more out of it. Okay, and then down the bottom here is just your total score. But this is easy for me to do. I think it's effective feedback to get a written statement in your task. Okay, at the particular point where you need to get your comments. Okay, so that's using the Compass for outcomes. And then so for me, once that's done, I don't need to save that. Okay, then I can just save it and automatically re-upload it to the teacher response section, and then you'll get that feedback. Okay, so that's how that works. And so guys, just to finish up, yeah, Compass for outcome tasks, save your name as the file name and click on the comments section for your Excel tab in the review tab so that you know that so you can get all your feedback. Okay, and that's it for today. Hopefully you can navigate the task now, no problem. See ya.